Hello, my friend. I'm Dennis Wang. Welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. And today, I will going to introduce you the air-beam hook-to-back packing machine with batch and quantitative extrusion. The model number of this machine is ATM 350XQ. Why is customized? Because it's customized for packing 200 grams ShiSha products. Okay, let me run this machine to show you how it works. So, you have any customized packaging solution, just find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. Bye.
Lại bà xong con này, nhờ sang cái được. Lại rồi đấy. À, quên xuống mà.
So, you have any customized packaging solution, just find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. Bye.